No.
The National Weather Service in Taunton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, central Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, northeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 7:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Chesterfield, or near Northampton, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Amherst, Northampton, Orange, Deerfield, Gardner, East Hampton, Athol, Winchendon, Montague, Templeton, Westminster, Ashburnham, Southampton, Hadley, Sunderland, Hatfield, Northfield, Williamsburg, Huntington, and Conway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Massachusetts, Franklin, and Hampshire. Severe thunderstorm.